Good morning to everyone. This is Charanja from BTech first year from JNT College. My roll number is 240118051, right? The lecturer is Raju sir from the Triple E department. Today my topic is problems on the first order of RLC current. Now it seems a text of reference of circle problems involving in the switch that moves from the positions from A to B that theta is equal to 0. The solutions of typical involves of analysis it is circuit before and the after switching the event to find the voltage is equals to greater than the theta. How the problem is gonna be include the approximately the answer. Switch is delta is equals to VLIR is equals to 0. The given information internal voltage is equals to 40 voltage, resistance is R is equals to 2K, and the total of the answer we find it 200 voltage. Time constant is equals to theta is equals to R, C is equals to 200, and the reciprocal is equals to 1 by 20 into 10 into 50 of n is minus 1. There we can see internal and I changes of maximum that largest of VL after the T is greater than the pi. All voltages is on R radius. Just we can see the graphs here, so we can make the analysis of the data there. After that completing, we can go for the second problem. The switches has been the position of a long time of the issue. Assume the switch is moving off internally from the A to B and to find the voltage from the T is greater than the 0. Now we can find here the diagram. The phi is greater than the A and V is the 40 is the voltage power, and just make V is equals to theta by 4 voltage. T is equals to 2K MOH into 10 in the UK, 20 meters from everything. So this problem is involving an analysis of RC circuit which is switching in the internal closes, allowed in the capacity of the charges full at the theta is equals to switch opens, causing this capacitor is discharges throughout the resistance. It has been the solutions of there. The given the resistor of a diagram is resistor is equals to R is equals to 10K. And the so capacitor is equals to C is equals to 40 UF. Internal voltage V is equals to 0. Though the time constant theta is equals to R, C is equals to C is equals to 10,000 of volts. 40 into 10 minus 6 is equals to 0.4 analysis. Discharges of the capacitor is equals to discharges of RC circuit. The voltage across the capacitor is given by the V is equals to V theta. Substance the values of V voltage is equal to 60 volts. T is equal to 0.5 S. So final answer of the voltage is T is a less than the 0. V is less than the 60 of the foundation. Let's we know the futures of clarification of about it. So next we can see the switch is falling has been the position of the A is after long time. If assume the switch is moving internally from the A to B at B, T is equals to 0. Find out the V is greater than the 0. So final answer we can see V is equals to T is a 40 degrees of voltage. Yeah. Now let's go for the theory right now. Since we can know the circuit, it has been stated because it has been for a long time. So we can see di by dt is equals to 0. VL is equals is also 0. From the circuit of the voltage relationship of an indicator, we can know that constant the current from indicator is also act as a shortly. This is the resistors R and RS has been circuit following throughout them. So it is only the current from following throughout the indicator. Now we know like the situations of the T is less than 2. The switch has been thrown only of indicator seems that only resistance we don't need to worry about the current sources. So of the resistor RS is the point. We are the no longer to stable the current as the voltages now being the charges to find the how KVL and KCL. So let's see the diagram here. We have the label of the R resistance and the voltage. So we can see from the top we have the positive point and negative, we have the negative there. So now note the points of that. Note the indicator current from the voltage and it has given the active sign relationship. You should consider yourself that signing the equations as the correct. So now let's solve the problem here. So di by L is equals to RL and RC current indicators of everything we have here. We have the indicator of over time from the switching the times. So find the times and we have the regretting of over current of the values. It has been indicated by T. So now let's go for the problem. Yeah, this is the information about the RL circuit of current.